Jennylyn and Pineda Mercado, born May 15, 1987, is a Filipino actress and singer. She is known for playing dramatic roles in film and television. She rose to prominence after winning the reality talent competition StarStruck in 2003. Mercado garnered acclaim at a young age for her acting performances on television and film. She starred in multiple commercially successful films, including English Only, Please 2014, The Prenup 2015, Walong Forever 2015, and Just the Three of Us 2016. With GMA Records and Viva Records, Mercado has released 3 albums, which have several popular singles such as Essay Aching Panaginip, Moments of Love in collaboration with Jano Gibbs, Boss Statnan Dito Ka, and Kahit Sandali. In 2017, Mercado top-billed the Philippine remake of My Love from the Star. Mercado's success in Philippine cinema has made her one of the top actresses in the country and established her status as the Asia's ultimate star. Jennylyn and Pineda Mercado was born on May 15, 1987, in Parañaque, Metro Manila. She spent her senior year of high school at the Augustinian Abbey School in Las Piñas. As a child, Mercado suffered physical abuse from her estranged stepfather, Noli Pineda. Her biological mother, Jinky Pineda, returned from Dubai merely to bail her stepfather out. Henceforth, Mercado was raised by her late aunt, Lydia Mercado, whom she fondly called Mommy Lydia, who died in 2016 and whom she considers as her adoptive mother. Personal life. In 2008, at age 21, Mercado announced that she was pregnant. Her ex-boyfriend Patrick Garcia, who distanced himself upon learning of her pregnancy, was announced as the father of her child. On August 16, 2008, she gave birth to their son, Alex Jazz, via cesarean section. In 2021, she married her longtime boyfriend Dennis Trillo. Their daughter, Dylan Jade, was born on April 25, 2022. Mercado and Trillo. Her husband owned a rest house made of shipping containers and converted it into a beautiful home for their family, which is located in Tanay, Rizal. In 2014, Mercado launched her first business, Fit and Form, a wellness center, but when her business partner opted out, she and Trillo, her husband, rebranded and named it after their daughter, DYLAN Style Lounge, a salon and nail spa business located in Barangay UP campus, Quezon City. The couple also opened a cat cafe called Litterbucks in 2020. She serves as president and co-founder of the production company, Brightburn Production, owned by his husband, Dennis Trillo, which was founded in 2024. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.